You see how most of the people are white here? So show me the badge if you want me off. No, you have to show me the name. You want to be a tough guy, bro? I will universally, karmically mess you up.
No, it's low. Okay.
During the boarding process, when you physically step into the aircraft, you are typically greeted by airport attendants who welcome you. After hearing loud cursing down the loading hall, the welcoming airport attendant eventually welcomes a disorderly passenger who boards the plane. And immediately the passenger states, "They always treat me differently. People with skin like you." Then walks past her, starting down the aisle to find his seat. Concerned, she follows him and attempts to calm him down. These attempts fail, and eventually she politely asks him to exit the plane, which he refuses. Police are called, but in the minutes it takes them to get there and control the situation, multiple passengers start recording and catch this.
You show me this much hate against one individual human, I will universally, karmically mess you up. So show me the badge if you want me off. No, you have to show me the name. Oh, you're lying then, so I can sit right back down.
Do you have a bag you want to grab or anything before you get off?
Don't attack me with two individuals against one, and it's because I'm sitting down and I'm lower than you. Yeah, I'm sitting down and because I'm sitting down lower. You want to be a tough guy, bro?
Just get off the plane.
I'm moving. Hey, you know what and suck? No, it's all y'all teaming up. Yeah, no. You don't get to come into my country. It doesn't matter that I'm what I was about to say.
Your home does not matter.
Your home will not matter. How's that? Don't team up with that many people commenting in one ear. But you are. She said it. You said it. You're all. But you're white. And you all are white teaming up against my ears. You don't care. Okay, then you don't care. You don't care. I'm not talking until these videotapes get off. That's not the point. No. I don't like drama. Don't. I don't know why you're laughing. Yeah, for entertaining.
At this moment, being held up long enough, two off-duty officers who just happened to be passengers that day decide enough is enough and do something that no one expected.
I'm moving. Hey, you know what and suck? No, it's all y'all teaming up. You see how most of the people are white here? Yeah, so you were like, I'm trying to get to my home country and you all people made it harder for me to get to my home country. I'm telling you. No. And this white-haired guy is thinking.
I want to see you up front, cuz.
Sir?
Go up to the front.
Sir.
Go upstairs. Come on.
Hold on, let me
This is the big guy.
Hey.
Okay.
Come on.
You're gonna chuck me?
No, we're not gonna have that fight. We're gonna go here.
Hey, I didn't get in your face.
Daniel,
You told me to get out. I have a ticket. Yeah, I have a ticket.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
No,
cuz.
Hey, let's go. Hey, 311.
You took me first.
No, it's low. Okay. 311. Police, 311. Right now.
You got it, cuz? You got it?
All right, guys.
Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. So am I.
I'm right here.
You're gonna walk or you're gonna do next? Walk. Turn around and walk.
Let's go.
Turn around and walk.
Thank you, guys.
Turn around and walk.
I need airport roll alive.
Walk. Turn around and walk. Get off. Get off.
Everybody out of the aisle! Out of the aisle! Have fun, he's a fan.
Yeah.
10-4-79. Thank you for coming.
Good.
Police are here, so just comply and we'll work out. All right, my man?
As long as there's a lawyer for me.
You'll definitely be legal, sis. Legal act.
All right.
Hey, stand up.
Wait. Roll over. You gonna help me? Roll over. Bend your knees. No.
Come up to your knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Get up.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, my shoe.
Yeah, just stay put for a second.
Hey?
Do you want to see what happened? I'll take him up.
My shoe.
Yeah,
and I'll
let's see what
defend,
happened.
and I'll defend
Come
it.
on, let's go.
I'll defend it as long as I have a lawyer.
Okay, let's go.
Make sure I have a lawyer. Have you watched? My name is Khan.
Make way, make way.
For an innocent.
James, ready to go that side door? Down to the truck.
For innocent civilian. I'll remember this. I didn't get harmed. I didn't harm anyone first. I got harmed first. You called these cops? I need my shoe actually. I need my shoe. You know that, right?
I got your shoe.
Yeah. What? Yeah. All right.
Go.
Go.
Get out.
Go. Get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Move. Fix those cuffs. Lean against the wall. Spread your feet.
I want a lawyer. I want a lawyer right now. I want a lawyer. I have money to back. All right. I want my public defender right now. I want my public defender right now. Wait. Why are you twisting my arm?
Got it.
Okay.
Hey, you resist, man. It's gonna get worse.
I'm not even resisting, man. So you hurt me.
Easy, buddy. You're hurting yourself.
No, I'm not. There's humans touching me that are hurting me.
Turn your wrist. Turn your wrist.
This was my parents' idea of moving me. You know that, right? I told them I would love to, and now this is what your airport does. I'm taking you to the Supreme Court. I'll tell you that much, kiddos. Taking all cops to the Supreme Court.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
I'm spreading it, guys.
More.
I'm spreading it. Public defendant, Indian public defendant, please.
We got enough guys here. Somebody can go help Gina.
Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me.
To better understand what exactly happened, officers interview the flight attendants and the pilot.
So what exactly happened?
So we were standing here boarding, we start to hear yelling down the jet bridge. We can't step off once we have passengers on. So people were like, hey, that guy's screaming back there, he's yelling curse words, he's yelling at some lady, blah, blah, blah. Comes on, angry, gets in her face. We don't know who this person is. Yeah. We got on, started talking to her, getting in her face, pointing at her, just like, you guys, what do you say? You're so disrespectful. And
I said, what? I go, what is this about? Now we're figuring out who it is.
Yeah.
It's always the problem. They treat me differently. They look at me. People with skin like you. Your kind of skin. And then he points to the captain in your skin. He's pointing to the captain. He goes, it's always you that you look at me funny and you this and you that. And then he turned the corner, he goes, and they tell me, they just assume that this is my father. And so I didn't think the guy was with him. The guy that's supposedly his father. And he walked away from his dad and just beelined up it was the weirdest thing. I said, wait a minute, we gotta find out. So now passengers are coming in after him going, he's not well, something's wrong with him.
Yeah.
He was literally almost getting hit with everybody.
yeah, he just cursed and jumbled all the way up the aisle to Rosa.
I don't know how we got past the gate.
So basically, from what you two said, you got alerted while boarding. People were boarding, saying, "Hey, there's a guy back there."
We could hear screaming.
Okay, and then he came up here. He started with her, but then continued down the aisle.
Yeah.
And as
then
he was
I
going,
followed.
Okay. And when you followed, what happened?
I followed, I asked him to get off, he told me no, I asked probably 3 or 4 times, and then at that point I was like, okay, I need help, so I went to her.
Okay.
Here's the thing that triggered it. Like, see, she was standing there. The guy right. He seems crazy, aggressive. The guy in that road put his hand. I saw him put his hand on his back.
He lost it at that.
Get your hands off me.
Oh, exactly. That gentleman who had his hand on his law enforcement as well. Okay. Let me get, this one's yours, and can you get this back to
He was going to go explode no matter what.
Do you have your ID as well, just so I can make sure I read that?
I thought this is freedom of speech country, and I did not violently hit someone before me. I'm just, okay, so innocent. It says don't mess with that. Jesus says that. Don't mess with innocence. Yeah, dude.
You have a
I'm telling you, don't mess with it.
California license plate, driver's license, but you have.
But I have a what and what? Yeah, good for you. You're a fan of me. I see it. You're a fan of me. When you invest me this much, you're a fan of me. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. What are you trying to say about my wallet?
31. Guys, please move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move.
I need some water.
Yeah, it's a way.
So you have a California driver's license, but your address
It's in Florida. It's in Florida. It's in Florida.
But you have a California driver's license.
That's right, and I'm also a USA naturalized citizen.
So if you
and will you add that part? Will you add that part? Will you say?
Do you live in California or do you?
No. The address says Florida on it. Read it right. Read it right. Read it the right way.
So I just want to see if you were violating Florida state statute.
No. I'm saying I got hit. I got hit one of those. I got hit by one of those.
Okay.
Air guests of the airplane. I'll tell you that much.
I want to check his socks. I want to check his feet first.
Yeah.
Make sure there's nothing in his socks.
Pull off your
Move forward.
belt. I want to
Kick your shoes off.
Oh, hey.
Kick your shoes off.
Yeah, I will if you let it go. Take off your shoes. Yeah.
I
got it.
Bend your leg back.
What?
Bend this leg back. Now give me his shoe. Can you put that shoe on? Put a sock in his pocket. Put your shoe back on.
Bend this leg back.
Get this one in, James.
Round through you.
Alright, it's good. Put your other shoe back on. Just put him in his pocket.
And we made sure that he was good on all.
Yeah.
That's my ticket too. I'm not losing that ticket. Get that ticket back to me.
Sit in the car.
I had a flight ticket to my
Sit
home.
in the car.
Sit down.
Turn around.
Louder voices.
Watch your head.
Olsen.
29-year-old Patel is charged with 2 counts of battery and 1 count of disorderly intoxication. Battery under Florida Statute 784.03 is when you're touching or striking another person against their will or intentionally causing body harm. This is a first-degree misdemeanor with maximum penalties up to 1 year in jail, 12 months of probation, and up to a $1,000 fine. Patel was charged with 2 counts of this, as well as 1 count of disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute 856.011. Disorderly intoxication is defined as someone being intoxicated in a public place and displaying behavior that causes a disturbance, endangers others, or creates a public safety concern. Common examples can include yelling at people while drunk, fighting or aggressive behavior, or simply causing a scene in a transit terminal, bar, street, or plane. Maximum sentences for this are up to 60 days in jail, 6 months of probation, and up to a $500 fine. But realistically, first-time offenders often receive probation, anger management, alcohol counseling, and jail time is usually minimal unless there were injuries, resisting arrest, or prior convictions. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comment section. Who do you personally side with in this case? And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey, he's running slow. Hey, 311.
You took me first.
No, let's go. Okay. 311. Go.
You started it. Remember that. Dude.
Come on. Come on, dude.
Hey!
Now! You got it, cuz? Do you got it?
Yeah.
Put your hands down and don't touch anybody! Put your hands down and don't touch anybody!
They're able to restrain.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So now you're gonna hurt me more? No. You are hurting me more, though, dumb bitch! You're going to Supreme Court, every fucking one of you. All right. I'll see you there then.